So you got a portfolio. Maybe you're doing pretty well. Do you actually know what you own? Are you investing in funds or are you just collecting them? What I see in my office week in and week out are people that come in that own a handful of mutual funds. The issue is those mutual funds tend to be investing in the same exact thing, whether it's large cap, small cap, or international. Does it sound like you? You know, in the Midwest, there's two types of brokers. The first type needs to make a sale that day in order to get paid. They're going to move your money because their commission directly relates to that movement. On the other side of the fence is us. We work on the premise that we'll both get paid along the way. So when you grow, we grow. And it's really that simple. And it's this sole concept that iWealth has been founded on. End of story.